Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to Eyes on Screen, and we're coming back with another busy buzzer banger. You say, coming with another crazy vibe. Today, we're reacting on your favorite, and your most lovable person, Naledi. The song is called Kuvele Guwe. Kuvela Guwe. Kuvela Guwe. Okay. Uvela Guwe, it comes to you, it comes from you. Yeah, let's go. Let's dive into it, guys. Let's hear what Naledi got for us, because I love her voice, guys. I won't lie. No cap. I love her voice. I won't lie. Lil Fate got a voice too. Yo, Lil Fate got voice, bro. I won't lie. On that one, I did pick up on that. She got a nice voice. Yo. You are my God, you are my Father, you are my leader, my protector. Yeah. My silence comes from you. Everything comes from you. Oh God. Okay. My blessings comes from you. I feel like she's talking about God, ne? I don't know if there's more about that, but I feel like she's talking about God. She's talking about God. The blessings, the words, everything. Blessings come from God, guys. Come on. You've been good to me. I think your favors, your grace, your mercy. Through the good and the bad, you're faithful. Jehovah, we take me in. Yeah. This girl comes with another type of voice, man. Like what the? Oh, Dali. Oh, so I feel like Naledi is talking about a guy. I don't know. You can tell me, but Naledi is coming with a guy type. I don't know. Let's go. Let's hear. But the first one was about God. Let's hear. Okay. So she's crying that she'd been hurt that much in love. So whatever relationship she tried to go through, it was not working for her. That's what she's saying. So let's go. She's talking about a boyfriend, a Dali, a person who comes in their life and then change every situation of love, change every situation that she was in through heartbreak and stuff. Okay. Yeah. I love her voice, guys. Like, I love Naledi's voice. Lil Fate, she got a voice also. I won't lie. They met at the right time, and they released a good song on this. It's gonna hit 1 million. I won't lie. Ivela kuwe mfundisa mama ivela kuwe this is a lit song, guys. I won't lie. You can tell me whatever, but this is a nice song. Yo, this is crazy. I won't lie. I feel like there's two ways of people the way they're coming in. You know what I mean? The way they came in is like they talk about two things that is different. You know what I mean? Yeah. I feel like there's a different things that is coming from there. So like you might never know what's cutting. Sometimes you feel like God is not there on your side, and then God comes and then He saves your ass out of nowhere. You know what I mean? And sometimes you feel like your relationship is over and no one is there to help you or think about you or whatever, and then you find out that there's another guy who's there to give you another chance out of nowhere. Yabo. Two ways. That's how this song is talking about. This song is talking about two ways. Yabo. There's a God in it, there's love in it. So if she comes with a video, the video gotta be late, bro. Like she gotta make sure. I don't know. That lady must drop videos every time, bro. Like why? Drop videos. Yeah, come on. See more videos every time. It's gonna be late. So online. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Tell us what you think, and yeah, let us know what we can do, what we can react on. Sometimes we try and react on the people's comments, what they tell us we must react on, and it doesn't work. It doesn't work out. So maybe it's a copyright song, so we can't do nothing. I'm sorry, guys. So, like, comment down below. Tell us what you think, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you all on the next one.